listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 55, serving Oregon, Dixon, Sterling, Rock Falls, and Mount Carroll.
Got a feeling a warning's coming any minute.
The current time is 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service.
Yeah, it's not going.
A small thunderstorm will impact northwestern Lee County through 3:45 p.m.
I'm just playing Planet Coaster and all of a sudden... Yep, here we go. I don't have my handhelds up, so... This is all it is.
The National Weather Service
Why'd you not activate?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois until 4:30 p.m.
Signal's worse than it's ever
3
been.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Sterling, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wow, it's staticky no matter what.
Impacted include Nelson, Catoosa, Alvena, Dixon, and Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Nelson, Catoosa, Alvena, Dixon, and Woodland Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, the signal sucks down here. It's worse than it's ever been.
The current time is...
Go now.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30.
God, how slow can a station be? Been filming for almost 3 minutes now. What?
Ferromax.
Yeah, Ferromax Haze.
I've never seen one of those before, and I really should.
God motherfucking damn! Censor that, you idiot.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's IBS.
That's IAIS power move, going the wrong
I'll
direction.
move long hook forward. No. Bro forgot his train. That's enough. Bro forgot his train. Sports show. There's no one there.
Alright, go now.
Oh no, Larry, Amalou, and Nick was over there.
I see.
Forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast Whiteside County is in Illinois and Clinton County, Iowa.
I'm waiting.
Will be prepared to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 4.
No,
When did I get to?
I will not.
Yep.
There's the Viasat.
That's the horn I heard.
Jesus, there it is.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north
That's
central
not
Lee
twice
County
where this
and
didn't
north central
activate.
Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60
Oh,
miles
for
per hour
God's
wind gusts.
sake!
Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Catoosa, Alvena, Ashton, and Franklin Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
What is 1017 doing?
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Catoosa, Alvena, Ashton, and Franklin Grove. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may can develop quickly from severe thunderstorm vehicle through flooded roadways. On a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, guys. So the alert finally relayed. I got it on UP. I got it on KCZ 55 and WRCV. And guess what? I figured out why my WR120 didn't activate twice.
Why?
Wait, what the BNSF Ace?
What?
What?
So I figured it out. I figured out why it didn't activate. I figured I should bring you guys with me for this. I'm gonna carry this.
Trains normal on this, on like that, on normal on that track.
No.
So I'm gonna bring you guys over here. I'm gonna place my mic here, and I'm gonna tell you guys why my WR120 did not activate. All right. So this thing right here, it wasn't set to any. For some reason, it was set to single. I don't remember the last time I set this thing to single.
No, so hold on. Are you f***ing kidding me? Daylight CSX Manifest?
What, Mason? Is that a Pink Floyd? Oh, that's IHB. I thought that was a CP Orange.
You're gone, and this radio is also gone. This proves that I'm in my swan song, everybody, because I cannot make sure my radio is on any. I don't even remember setting it to single. I don't remember setting it to single. No.
The f***ing Vesa rail booth went by, and they'll find what they was a surprise.
Y'all want to shut up?
It's kind of...
My God, my signal sucks. There we go. Boone and Winnebago. What? Over Rockton, huh? Hail. Expected. Expected. No. Boone and Winnebago severe. I caught it on KCZ 56.
Actually, a head.
You're thrown. I just caught a severe warning on KCZ 56 for Boone and Winnebago. And guess what, guys? Guess what it said?
What?
It said McIsney Park. Which is wrong! Another one.
Winnebago County, northern Boone County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Located.
Loves Park, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour.
Loves Park.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half
Hail.
The following effects are
Expected.
hail damage to vehicles.
Expected.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Butler Grove, Ross Park, Candlewood Lake, Rockford, Nacasney Park,
No!
Roscoe, Caledonia, and Cherry Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's not pronounced McIsney, it's pronounced McChesney. For the last time. Let me see if a certain Rockford radio station is relaying this. I'm kind of curious. Nope. I didn't think so, but it was worth it to check. I'll tell you guys what I was saying here in a minute after I shut this door. It said McIsney Park again. It's McChesney. What have you done?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lee County and north central.
Lee again! Lee again! Again! Lee!
The storm was located 7 miles southeast of Ashford, or 10 miles south of Rochelle.
I have to get this TVN one though!
Hazard. All signs hail in 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source. Trained weather spotters. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Have a large portion of your debt wiped clean.
Oh.
If you have $10,000 or more in
I missed it.
a free 10-minute phone call could save you thousands. Locations impacted include Paw Paw, West Brooklyn, Cockatoo Lee, and Stewart. Animals outdoors. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Siding. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, leading to flash flooding. Siding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Include Paw Paw, West Brooklyn, Cockatoo Lee, and Stewart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Well, here's the severe warning I missed because of Lot. This is a Keokuk and Washington severe warning. Ah, well, I'm sure there will be another one issued for this part of Washington, and maybe if it tracks this way, maybe this county here that I can't remember the name of because I'm a bum. Flash warning!
Following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Flooded roadways. Here is a
Oh my god.
for the following counties.
God, no weather radio is so slow.
22.
There you go. Only took you 2 minutes. Flash flood, Boone, and Winnebago, I believe. I don't even know because this just took way too long.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Boone County,
Yep.
central Winnebago County until 9 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding, radar and automated gauges. The following effects are expected: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other forward drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Love Park,
No!
Durant, Timberlane, Caledonia, Harrison, and Sherman. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Winnebago, Illinois.
They're yapping about trains again. Sounds like these folks are yapping about trains again.
Oh yeah, Zach. There's an X.
Uh-oh, severe warning, and I missed that. Great, I missed that too.
Anyways.
I missed another DVN severe. No, I will not
I'm trying to talk to you, Zach.
I will not because I just missed 2 severe warnings from... Well, here's what I missed. Johnson severe because I was too hyper-focused on the flash warning. And yes, I called it a flash warning. Y'all can berate me.
And I will be ejecting you for that.
No, you cannot throw me. No.
I love you.
But that's what it's called. Wait, I'm so stupid. I probably could have just caught it on channel 3, but I now have something going on channel 6.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paul.
I'll go quickly get the other one.
Northeast of Mendota, breeze at 20 miles per hour.
Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
It's not going. I'm not gonna get that one.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be
Injured.
Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect
And there go the batteries on this. Great.
locations impacted include Paul, Earlville, Compton, and Leland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor.
So that's what they did.
I was sitting in my chair, right?
Oh, great. I missed this. Tornado warning, Delaware, Dubuque. Because I had to... who's got the soundboard? Anyway, I had to miss this because I had dog duty. I had to take them out and feed them. Great.
Severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at
Got the end of this.
to a small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Got the end of that. This is for Joe Davies and Dubuque counties. Got the end of that. Uh-oh.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa until 8 p.m. At 7:15 p.m.
I'm trying to watch Eric Estep, but no!
Extending from Green Island to Ideal, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator.
I wasn't even going for alerts anymore, and of course this is taking ages to load.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Leonard, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Sabula, Chadwick, Maxpot, Argo, Lauren, Townsend, Mississippi Palisades State Park, Wacker, Ideal, Center Hill, South Sabula Lake Park, Willow, Bolton, and Elmville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Severe thunderstorms were located along
Joe Davies and Stevenson just tuned in.
territory to Elmville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
At least I think this is it.
Following impacts are expected. Expect damage to
Roofs.
siding, and
Trees.
Locations impacted include Lena, Stoughton, Warren, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Woodbine, Dales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Warren, Hatfield, Buena Vista, Rock Road, Amico, Gilbert, Orangeville, Kent, Grimes,
Ovu!
and North Hanover. Remain alert for a possible
Tornado.
Tornadoes
Wait,
can
what?
develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yep, this is it. Okay, I just wanted to wait to make sure it wasn't a doubleheader. Alright, let's take a look at this warning real quick. It's a severe warning, Joe Davies and Stevenson. Lod hasn't done anything of note other than the Kankakee will severe. Let's take a look at this and see if it's for the same storms as earlier. Yep, it is. Not again. Now it's a flash flood warning. I don't know where for.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a
Flash flood warning for
northern Clinton County in east central
Iowa.
Southeastern Jackson County in east central
Iowa.
Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois.
Why are you not going?
So it actually makes someone cool. It turns out it's a pretty universal concept, but they looked at this study where
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clinton, Maquoketa, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Savannah, Leonard, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Preston, Fairhaven, Cheyenne, Sabula, Chadwick, Delmer, Miles, Andrew, Charlotte, Wilton, and Coletta. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
There you go. Shut up. I'm trying to make thumbnails. Again, interrupted by a flash flood. There it is. Carroll, Clinton Jackson, Carroll, Joe Davies, Stevenson, and Whiteside. What's Lot done? No. DVN. Tornado possible for that, we know. Again? Seriously?
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Thompson Causeway, or 8 miles northeast of Clinton.
Very close.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size.
Hail.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Clinton, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Leonard, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Cheyenne, Chadwick, Coletta, Andover, East Clinton, Argo, Faith, Union Grove, Austin, Townsend, Kidd, Wexford, Ideal. In Carroll County, fair locations impacted include a protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
Oh, come on! Seriously?
Flooded roadways. Severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Carroll, Bureau, Whiteside counties in Illinois, and Clinton County, Iowa. Standard broadcast. Weather information. The current time is 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
God. This radio can be so painful sometimes. Hence why I throw it into the table. Anyways, we got Carroll, Whiteside, and Clinton.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Lot FFW Boone and Winnebago. The National Weather Service.
Issues a flash flood warning for southern Boone County, southern Winnebago County until 1 a.m. At 7:58 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area earlier this evening, with additional thunderstorms expected to persist through much of the evening.
Yep.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
Shortly.
Expected hazards include flash flooding, radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected. Rapid
Had a quiver.
flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Podler Grove, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, New Milford, Garden Prairie, and Seward. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Friday for the following counties: Winnebago, Illinois. At 7:20.
Again, just wanted to make sure it wasn't a doubleheader. I'm glad I'm able to pick up KZZ 56 in that room. Otherwise, this radio would pretty much be on KZZ 55 all night, rendering it pretty much useless because it's a traveling radio. All right, anyways, we got Boone and Winnebago flash flood. Probably missed this, but it's worth a shot.
Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
I might have got it.
Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Illinois: Joe, Davies, and Stevenson.
Got it. Barely. Once again, I'm just making thumbnails. And I'm just getting bombarded with alerts. Gosh. Not again. Flash flood warning, Ogle, just as I thought. Called that one.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois until 1 a.m. At 8:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. In north central Illinois, flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. 8:18 p.m. Doppler radar
Flash flooding. I knew this was coming. Shut up.
Immediate precautions to protect life. Lost Nation. Lead around. Grand Detour when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Yes.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Severe updated. I figured that one was coming when I looked at NWS. I was like, yeah, they're going to issue another one for Ogle, probably. No, 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 no.
The service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northern Zero County in north central Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m.,
No. I don't like that.
Located near Normandy, or 12 miles northwest of Princeton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Walnut, Ohio, Manlius, and Casper around 9:40 p.m. Princeton around 9:45 p.m. Wilmette, Dover, and Bureau County Fairgrounds around 9:50 p.m. Malden around 9:55 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 49 and 61. Interstate 100.
Did that even activate? I don't think so.
Take cover now.
Because of course.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Okay. Well then, that was the last thing I expected. A tornado warning DVN. Lets me down again. How did I miss another tornado warning?
Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can be...
Here we go. Oh, come on, really?
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for South Central Bureau County in north central Illinois until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a...
I just cannot have one alert where I have them all go off at once.
Southeast at 20 miles per hour.
Not one.
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar...
Here's what we got. This tornado.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Princeton, Tisboa, and Bureau Junction around 10:20 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 53 and 55. Interstate 180 between mile markers 2 and 7. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this
Just
storm,
end the
and
alert.
flooding.
Stop
Do
rambling.
not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Thank you.